I'm Dr. Costa from Same Day Dental Implants Clinic in Dubai, and I would like to inform you that we run both theory and hands-on courses on Osseodentification at Villa Fortuny. Now, the benefit to the delegates of this Osseodentification course is to teach the Versah Osseodentification technology to participants, which will help them optimize the implant site. It will help them optimize the site by increasing bone density. This is particularly valuable in cases of softer bone. It will also help to expand narrower ridges, and more important, it will help perform subcrestal sinus lifts without opening a lateral window.